So now that we have powder eyelashes and foundation lips, I think we're ready. All I know is that mine are less chapped than yours.
Ew. Hey everybody, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. So today's video, I have my sister with me. Tiana, you have been on my channel before. Last video we did, we tested Pinterest hacks.
Now that was an adventure.
That was disgusting. Today we're going to be swapping makeup. So we picked out each other's makeup. We did our base already. Tiana was a little bit extra. Wanted to do powder, so we have foundation, concealer, and powder on, and eyebrows. So there's half the video gone. But for the rest of it, we're gonna be swapping makeup. We don't know what each other chose, so that'll be an adventure. We'll see if we're nice or not.
Oh dear.
Before we hop into the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy it. And if you'd like to know the looks we come up with,
then just keep watching.
So how I think we're gonna do this is instead of opening up each other's boxes and bags, because then we'll know everything, how about we hand it to each other?
Okay, what first?
So it's supposed to be powder first.
Well, I'm sorry.
What is first? Contour.
Ah, okay.
Quit looking. So I was really nice for my contour.
Ooh.
Because I brought out a palette for you.
Well, would you look at that?
Oh.
I brought a palette also.
How kind is that? So now you can really pick your shade. Because these are gonna match you really well.
Oh yay. That's dark.
Thanks. Are you using my brushes?
Yes. I was too lazy to get my own.
Okay, I'm using contour number 1 for mine.
I'm gonna go with faking it.
I gave you this palette, so
Yeah.
I actually know that it's pretty good.
She gave me like all of my makeup, so.
So this video has been done before. We're definitely not the first ones to do it. And usually it's just, you know, swapping each other's makeup bag. Both of us realize that I have a makeup dresser and you have makeup bins. So this isn't our everyday makeup. This is just what we chose for each other.
I need to take off my glasses. Told you what. Scared. Oh. Okay.
Also the ring light is reflecting off of them, which is kind of...
Sorry, I'm blind.
It's kind of annoying because you're not. Are you done yet?
Oh my gosh, right? I'll be done in a second. I was nice. Were you nice?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got you Hula because I thought it would match your skin tone really well.
I got the Estee Edit.
I didn't... really good. I didn't do my contour to match this bronzer though.
Sucks.
I would have used number 2 if I knew it was gonna be this deep. Okay. This is a good bronzer.
It is. Okay. I need a mirror.
Yeah. That brush is kind of dense.
I know.
You take forever.
Oh my gosh. You took the brush.
It's my brush. Done? Of course you're not.
No, I'm not done. Leave me alone. It takes you like an hour to do your eyebrows, so.
I'm insecure. Tiana actually fixed them today.
You're welcome.
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm done. It's fine.
Blush. Yes. Oh, I love that blush.
Sigma Core de Rosa.
Anastasia Pink Passion. I was kind of thinking you can lean towards these ones.
That's what I was also thinking.
Okay. It's a mirror on that one for you.
Oh, I thank you.
I also gave you this.
Yeah, you did.
So
you
you chose a bunch of stuff that...
Okay.
Do you own any makeup that I didn't give you?
The foundation that Marley bought me.
Do you own any makeup that your siblings didn't give or buy you?
I bought myself a lipstick once.
Huh.
Yeah.
As you can see, Tiana's a very special person.
I am a very special person who's broke.
Okay. I'm happy so far. You've been super nice to me.
You've been mostly nice to me.
Highlighter. What did you pick for me? Oh, I snooped. Okay.
This bad boy.
Mm-hmm.
Anastasia Glow Kit. There's the frame.
That's not my favorite glow kit in the world.
I know. Holy crap! It's so dirty. The glitter is shining through. Yeah.
Okay, I chose you Pretty Vulgar. It's a pink highlighter.
Ooh, I love that.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
I thought you'd like a pink highlighter. White Sand is the one I didn't actually mind out of this palette. Wow, so glittery.
So much glitter is going on right now. There's so many things that don't have a mirror.
You just powdered highlighter all over me. How much did you pick up?
I can't see.
Oh, yeah. You're gonna enjoy what I have for you next.
I am ecstatic.
Moving on to the eyes. So I was thinking you could do a pretty pink look with
Okay.
this.
With the just that's champagne, but okay. So
No, this one.
yeah, it's champagne, not pink.
Are you colorblind as well? That's pink. Look,
That's champagne.
it's like a really light pink. I was thinking you could also, like, you're allowed to use the Sigma palette
Oh gosh.
for your transition shade for the browns because, as you can see, you don't have a lot to work with here.
I am seeing.
So I'm gonna be nice and let you use transition shades from this palette as well.
Or I could just go hard with the
Go.
eyeshadow palette. We've got you.
Yeah, but you don't know what I have for lips yet, so you better be careful.
You gotta be kidding me. Okay, well, we've got the chocolate bonbons.
Okay, I'm fine with that.
Versatile palette, you're welcome. Oh my gosh.
This one I gave you because you were begging for a Too Faced one, not
Yes.
that I wanted to give it up.
Yeah.
You could use the Hoola bronzer for your crease shade.
I'm thinking.
Hold that thought.
I could.
I said hold that thought. I
Yeah.
was starting a new clip.
Well, whatever.
Say it again.
I could do so many fun things with this palette. But I don't know what you got for the lips because now you're scaring me.
You can do what you want.
I could, but
I'm gonna grab Mocha, put it into my crease. This versatile palette.
that's got blue on it.
Love a good Too Faced.
We're gonna take some more faking it. Because I'm faking a smile. I don't have a mirror again. Okay.
I thought you would love that palette. It's actually amazing eyeshadows.
It
It's
is.
like you usually have to use another palette if you're gonna use that.
Yeah. Start with Cocoa Taxi.
Ooh, you're brave.
I am brave. Doesn't mean I'm happy.
What am I gonna do next? Maybe a little bit of Malted. Continue on with my beautiful bronze.
Mm-hmm.
Switch brushes.
I'm gonna dip into Tropico now. Still scared.
So since you're still going on, I'm gonna go back into the glow kit.
Awesome.
Yeah. Because glitter belongs on the eyes,
Yes.
not the face.
Mm-mm.
A little bit of white sand in the inner corners.
I'll just hit up this inner corner.
Oh, tricky bricky. That's what you're gonna do? You're not gonna use it on the lid?
Mm-mm. Not today.
Didn't think you were gonna get me like that.
So, you must have been nice with the eyeliner.
I was.
Jeez, okay.
I grabbed liquid. Are you? I'm not gonna ruin my eyes.
Well, sucks. You gotta use
I
this.
grabbed you the wrong. I meant to grab you this one. Where is it? This is gonna be your upper waterline.
Okay.
You're not gonna do a wing or nothing. This is your lower waterline. I do really like this liquid liner.
Mm-hmm.
For it being a liquid liner, I just don't really like liquid liners.
Uh-huh.
Did you know that?
Mm-hmm.
You're out of the frame.
I realize that. But I'm wondering if I can actually get this to show up.
Well, I
Which it
didn't
is
realize how difficult this would be for you.
Well, I'm doing it with one hand, so.
Fudge! is why I don't like the liquid. It ruined my eyes. I was almost done. I hope you poke yourself in the eye. I'll stab you in the eye with this. Okay, lashes.
Oh, yay.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Tiana, did you say you were nice for the lashes?
Is that mean?
I hate this mascara. I told you that.
You did? Oh, sweetie. I love that mascara.
Oh my gosh, my lashes hate me. It's so sticky.
Rain, just layer it. You don't have to like shove your eyelashes in there. Oh my goodness, I need this mascara.
Yeah, that mascara is the bomb.
Can I steal this? Because I'm gonna steal it.
No, you actually can't steal that. When you steal, you keep it forever. You're not stealing.
You stole my white tank top and I've never gotten it back for a year.
You stole so many things from me. I think I deserve your white tank top.
Whoops.
You're gonna like this.
Okay.
I gave you options, which is the nice thing.
I also gave you options.
So, you know how I said I wanted you to do a pink look?
Okay. We're fine.
You're fine with that?
I'm fine.
I'm going with the gloss NARS
My goodness.
Orgasm.
Leave me alone.
It's a metallic glitter.
Oh my gosh, Rain! What?
There it is. That's what I was looking for.
I'll just use the lip liners.
You can't. You have to use a lipstick.
Shh.
I
I'm
gave
using the lip liners. You shut up.
I gave you a lip liner to be nice. You didn't even give me one.
I don't have lip liners.
You have to use a lipstick.
Fine.
I like my look.
Except for those eyelashes.
Yeah. Like they want to eat you up and swallow you whole. Oh yeah.
Oh, jeez. I was not expecting that.
It doesn't look that bad.
So I went to Claire's today. And I got my first makeup palette. The lipstick was included. Like there were smears in it already and I think the package was ripped, but
Oh my
I have
God.
cream for my rashes. I only cry when I'm in pain.
That's it for the video. Thanks so much for watching. I have a lot of ideas of videos. Does that make sense? I have a lot of
video
ideas to do with my sister.
with me. Hi.
Yeah. Hi. They're all written down. You don't know what they are.
Tiana Mustache.
So, if you have any other ideas, just leave them in the comments below. And we'd be happy to film them for you.
Would we?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like this video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next
One
time.
like.
What about pictures?